major healthcare employer in the Queen City is cutting jobs. Novant Health announced 160 layoffs system-wide, including at Novant Presbyterian Hospital in Charlotte. Queen City News anchor Robin Kennedy live at the hospital tonight. Robin, you spoke with a worker who tells you this will have an impact on nurses.
Right, Alicia. Novant Health tells us that mostly managers and administrators are out of a job, but a worker here tells me that that is also having an impact on nurses because in some cases there is no one to run the department, and experts say that puts pressure on people who provide patient care. Some of the people who support those who care for patients are losing their jobs at Novant Health. The healthcare system announced 160 job cuts system-wide, including in Charlotte, mostly for managers and administrators.
You can't cut staff who are providing direct care to patients.
Queen City News got a hold of the email from Novant's CEO to employees. Part of it says Novant is, quote, dealing with declining operating margins and other industry pressures following the pandemic. Dennis Taylor is a past president of the North Carolina Nurses Association. He says hospital systems need to make sure job cuts are not going to have an impact on the workers who directly care for patients.
For a lot of nurses who have made the decision more recently to exit the profession, one of the biggest reasons that they cite is stress, and that's stress caused by not enough staff.
The North Carolina Healthcare Association says in general, last year and the first 9 months of 2023 have been tough financially for healthcare systems because of high non-reimbursable costs in labor, supplies, and purchased services. Taylor says healthcare companies must support frontline workers, but also improve efficiency.
It really depends on what your staffing mix is. We certainly have seen some healthcare organizations that were top heavy in terms of administrative staff. And no one likes too many chefs in the kitchen.
Now, a Novant spokesperson says these cuts will not have an impact on patient care, and they make up less than 0.5% of the total workforce here at Novant Health. I'm live at Novant Health Presbyterian Hospital. Robin Kennedy, Queen City News.